guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this coated lovely peanut. If today is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell, open all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that any day I post any of my wonderful video, you will get it as an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to comment. Let's get started. Select 4 cups of peanuts, add your salt generously, and you add hot water. Soak for up to 5 minutes and you drain it out and spread it under the sun to dry. After 2 hours, our groundnut is dried. 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, milk flavor or milk powder. You use a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Add in 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of milk powder or milk flavor, increase your sugar. This is just 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase to 6 to 8 tablespoons if you want it more tasty. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, pinch of salt, mix together. Add a little of your liquid mixture and you sprinkle flour as you turn. You continue to all your peanuts are being coated. If you are new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that any day I post any new video, you will also enjoy it as well. You get an alert and enjoy as well. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and feel free to ask questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.